Hey all, it's Natalie, and I am here with another unboxing for you guys. I've got my morning coffee, and I thought we would open a fun box. I am back. I'm back on the Spiegel Mom Scraps design team. I haven't been gone that long, but they asked me to come back, and I couldn't turn them down. So I have a fun new package to open. So let's see what they sent. I'm super excited. It's like really full. The box is a little bit bulging. So I'm pretty excited to open this. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what some of this stuff is. I can't wait to play with it and show you guys. So many sequins and adhesives. All right. So I'm going to set this aside for now. Let's start with the best. No, it's not the best. It's all the best actually, but Big Mama foam tape. I love this stuff. I use it all the time, and it is really fun to give dimension to your layouts. It's really integral to making shakers, which I love to do with the sequins that I get from Spiegel Mom Scraps. So there we have it. We have Spiegel Mom Scraps foam tape. We have foam pop dots. I love these things. Love. I love them because they're very easy to like give yourself dimension, but then you just pull the little tabbies off and they pop off the back, and it's not a struggle because sometimes I get my nails done, so sometimes it's a little hard for me on this to get the backing off, although I just normally use like a gym setter, and then that works really perfectly. This tape, to be honest, I'm not really sure what it is. I actually got some in my last order as well, and I haven't used it yet, so let's check it out together. Let's see. This is some really good transparent tape. Let's see if it's the tearable. Yeah, so it's like, well, it's supposed to be the tear tape because it's so thick. Oh, this is sticky. This is going to be really good. So this is going to probably very good for shakers. Although a lot of times if I'm using a cut file, it needs to be skinnier, but of course you could cut it. But also this is going to be really good for mounting. Like, this is super sticky. I'm going to look in the shop for the exact name of it, but this is good stuff. You will see me use this soon. Definitely. That's going to adhere your heavier items, like your shakers, to your page really well without it falling off like over time, I think. This was just packaging to keep things from moving around, but to be honest with you, I feel like I could totally use this in like a mixed media project or something. So of course I'm going to hoard it, obviously. Also, it's summer and my son has been crafting at my craft desk while I work. So if it's a bit of a mess around here, that's why. So this is fun. This is gold. Very metallic. You can see, probably, yes, you can see my Halloween shirt that I'm wearing. That's so funny. Wasn't planning on mirroring up today in my video, but here we are. You can see that it's just a very comfortable pajama shirt. So this is like metallic, sticky backed sheet of, I mean, you could die cut this. That's going to be like my go-to. This would be really fun for alphas, to die cut alphas, but I mean, you could die cut anything. I probably would use my precision plate just because it's a little bit thick, and obviously, I mean, it's like metallic, like it's sturdier than tin foil, and but you could also use like a solid sheet of it on a card base or something. Like, this will be fun to play around with and see. And so this goes along with Spiegel Mom Scraps like overall theme, of course, which is like spread the sparkle. And so it's not only sparkle all the time, it's also shine. And so this is so fun, and I will have to figure out what to do with that. That is going to be a good time. And then I think I got the most recent sequins, but also just like a backfill of sequins. So let's see what they sent. I'm excited. Lots of variety. So we have Country Garden, super beautiful. Those are like iridescent, some blues, pinks, and light purple, which I love me some purple. We have more iridescent. These are called Tropical Dream. More iridescents with more blues and whites. So see how they're both iridescent, but they're quite different. Love those. Very Tropic Dream. I could see that, like an ocean. Jody knows me, so I can see that she sent me things that I can use, which are like earth tones. So she knows I like to do travel albums and things like that. So a lot of these have browns and like really earthy tones. So this one is called Bookish. I love this. This is gold and some clear iridescent, some beige, some off-white, a little bit of green sprinkled in, and some amber. I love this. This is really nice. This is beautiful. Wine and roses, and that is exactly what it like reminds me of. It evokes this like romantic vibe. Super beautiful. We have crimson, we have a little bit of rose gold, and we have some brassy gold, and then we have some really fine glitter bits. I love that. That's beautiful. There we have some more natural bits, because even if you're scrapbooking nature, you know, sometimes you need glitter. You always do. You always need sparkle. Love You Latte. Okay, so we got like a coffee theme going on. We got some rose gold. We got some textured brown sequins, and we got smaller browns, and then we got some like, what do you call those? Transparent maybe, but like, oh, yeah, I don't know. They're fun. They're like matte, I guess is the word for them. I guess they're kind of like transparent and matte, but they're not like shiny, and so they are like very coffee-esque. I like those. What is this? Ooh, Peach Fizz. I know, I bet Sarah definitely had a hand in this. That's her favorite color. I love this. So a bunch of peaches and oranges. We got little florals in there. I super love those. And I love when they mix the smallers with the largers. Love that. This one is called My Sunshine. And so it's got some yellows, gold. It's got pinks, and it's got some wood grain florals. And then there are a couple of pops of black. So I'm thinking it's like a little sunflowery is what I'm thinking. It reminds me of. Ooh, I really like this one. This is called Shoreline, and this one is turquoisey. Lots of turquoise with matte and shiny iridescent. And then you have some lime green. In fact, I'm not even sure that it is lime green. It's just the yellow mixed in with the blue makes it seem lime green, maybe? Or it is lime green. I'm not entirely sure, but I love it. This is so good. This is like looking at the ocean on a really sunny day. Love that. Then you have another turquoise, but it's like a softer one. Dream Big Dreams. This is very like wedding-y, bridal, if you will. A little Tiffany-esque. So you have like the Tiffany color blue, and then you have some iridescent tinies with some like lighter white color. I love that. That's super beautiful. Let's see what we got here. This one is called Escape Artist. That's fun. And it's a fun little set. It is some iridescent blue tint with some yellow and then some navy. And then you have some fun bright pops of orange. And I really love that. And a lot of these have been created with current collections in mind. But I don't know that off the top of my head. But when I use them, I will try to remember to let you guys know what collections they go with. But I usually just like to, you know, do my own thing. You know, I don't like to go by the rules always. And this one is called Dahlia Dream. Sorry, we had some dog interruption. This one's called Dahlia Dream. And it has beautiful peach little dimensional flowers. And then a matte navy sequin. And then a few like, I wouldn't call that rose gold necessarily, but a rose color. I don't know. They do have an iridescent goldish color on them. I really love these. Super beautiful. Dahlia Dream. We actually planted some dahlias in our yard this year, and I hope that they bloom soon. They're growing. No flowers yet. No blooms yet. It's a little early. You know, it's just now summer. So I hope they bloom. These are Inky Dinky Doo, which I have used in the past, and I'm so glad she sent me more because I've used them up. They're bright black. and completely gorgeous. And they have just a bunch of different collections of blacks. So big, little, textured. You even have like a, what do you call that? Like a seashell, like an oyster shell. What do you call that? Abalone. There's one that has like some stars on it. That one looks like a record, maybe. I don't know. These are so fun. So they have like an iridescent, but they're like a rainbow iridescent. So not gold, not silver. They're rainbow, but black. Ah, love these. Love these. And then I think this is the newest collection. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to save that one for later because that looks like it's about to be my new favorite. All right, this one is called Citrus Summer. And it's exactly what you need a citrus summer to be. It's oranges and yellows. And then you also have some whites thrown in that are iridescent and matte, which I love. A little bit of lime green as well. Oh, I love all those oranges. I will have fun with that. And I feel like that goes really well with, I recently did an unboxing of all of the travel collections that I just purchased, and I'm working on like our cruise that we took to Alaska. And they had like these burnt oranges and things like that. So I think that'll look really good with those. This one is called Pack Your Bags, a travel one. And I already can tell that this probably goes really well with the Uniquely Creative Scenic Route collection. I don't know if that was the intention, but to me, that's what I just bought that I know immediately this is going to go well with. And that one's very like pastel and it's not beachy, but you could also use this with a beachy collection. So I love that they're so versatile. This has got some lime green, some iridescent white, some blue, dark blue, a little bit of pink, just a little pop of pink. And y'all, this one's going to be my new favorite. Oh my goodness, look at Roy G. Biv. I love a good rainbow. Look how gorgeous that is. It's literally Roy G. Biv. You have your red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple, violet. Oh my gosh. My new fave. This is so gorgeous. Look at it. Happy Pride. I love this. Well done. And I am done for now. So I can't wait to be back on the team, be creating. Check me out later this month using my Spiegel Mom scraps, sequins, and other supplies. And I'm going to figure out something fun to do with this. Yeah, if you have used it and you have like a process or just a project posted, link it down below so I can see. I would love to see what you made. I have a few ideas floating around my head already. I really was surprised. Like I didn't open this before I filmed it. So the wheels are churning. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, y'all.